Changing the power sharing battery limit on your Samsung Galaxy lets you control how much battery your phone gives away before stopping. This helps ensure your own phone doesn't run out while charging other devices. Here's how it's done. Open the Settings app on your phone. Swipe up to find Device Care, and once found, tap on it. Tap Battery to open its settings page. Scroll down again and tap on Wireless Power Sharing. On the next screen, tap Battery Limit. Now change the value. It's the percentage where your phone will stop sharing its battery with other devices. The minimum is 30%, but you can actually set it to 90% if you like. The most reasonable value is between 50% and 70%. Once you've selected the value, tap OK to save it. Now you can share your phone's battery until it reaches that percentage. We hope this tutorial can help you. Thanks for watching.